Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to be doing this to the kitchen wall. So stay tuned after the intro and you'll see how it's done. So I'm here using the kitchen table as my bench again. Thought I'd just show you guys what I'm using. So I'm using this gyprock flushing compound. This is a medium grade flushing compound, so it's not too sloppy. like you would get with a top coat, but it's still smooth. So I use this, now I use it for the complete coating material. So I'll use it for the base coat, the mid coats and a top coat. So I get a good finish from that. So I never have any complaints with it. And think you've seen these before. So I'll be using plastic trowel and a plastic spatula. These here are about $2.50 each. And every time I buy one of them, I buy a couple of these and then I can throw them away. So the metal ones are good, but what I like about these is there's no ridge where the handle is. So you can, if you get it up near your fingers, you can scrape it off. Whereas with the steel ones, with the wooden handles, it's got a lip here. They always end up with blobs of plaster everywhere. So I like using that, and that's really all the materials I need for the flushing. And then I just screwed it on with some gyprock screws, screwed the plasterboard on, sorry, with gyprock screws that were, I've got these ones that are 40mm long. So that'll go through the 10mm gyprock, the 10mm original plasterboard, and still have plenty of grip onto the stud. So that's why I use those ones, and I just screw them on with my normal drill. I don't have any fancy, so I've just got the DeWalt cordless drill there, and you don't need anything fancy, but it makes it easy if you're doing a lot of gyprock to have an automatic feed screw gun, but that's fine for doing what I do here. Sorry guys, one more tool, the corner trowel. So this is one of the more expensive ones. I've showed you guys this before. I believe it's just a better angle and a bit stiffer, gives you a nicer finish. So that's why I've got that one. But that completes all the tools that I'm going to be needing today. Okay, so I've managed to get that wall sheeted. It was a bit of a tricky thing cutting that arch by myself. Cooper was in bed having a bit of a sleep in, so anyway, I got that done, so that's good. So I'm going in the pantry now and I'm going to flush that, and during the week I'll second coat all this and third coat, and then next weekend hopefully I'll be able to undercoat everything and maybe get some paint on, we'll see. So that's what I'm up to now. So I'll take you in the pantry and I'll show you what I'm doing. So I'm going to go and edit this for you guys now, so you get another video tonight, and we'll see you on the next one, which will be probably some more work outside and more flushing work, I would say. So I hope you join me on the next one, and you have a good day. Cheers.